Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to like, comment and share. So for this look, I'm starting with a bright yellow single eyeshadow from Clinique Cosmetics, and I'm applying that into my inner corner. Then I am applying a dark brown shade. I am applying the shade into the center, blending it with the yellow. And guys, you can always message me for any makeup advice, or if you want a tutorial on any look, you can always message me on my accounts. I will link all those down below in the description. So now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just blending out the edges with a light brown shade, like a warm brown shade. Also, I hope you guys are staying safe and taking the necessary precautions. Now I'm applying concealer on my eyelid as liner. I'm looking straight up to find a mark where I can cut my crease. Also guys, I'm sorry for any unnecessary background noise. So now you can see here I'm using a clean fluffy bending brush and I am tapping away all the excess concealer on the lid. Now I'm applying a white shimmery eyeshadow on my lid, and the next step I'll be applying a mixture of glitters. I'm applying it sort of like an eyeliner shape. Now I am applying a bit of highlight and lashes, and for my lower lash line I just applied the same dark brown eyeshadow, and this is the finished look guys. I hope you guys enjoy it and see you guys in the next one. Bye.